get off.
Do you want one with me?
No.
You can have one with me and one with you.
I don't want one with anyone.
Come on, just one with me.
Why did I use the ladder? I literally could have jumped that myself.
I know.
But I do have the drink. So.
We're at Charleville doing the river tree walk. They've got almost 20 different trees around the lake with descriptions, and you can see examples. Look at that one, that's an ironbark mulga. Yeah, found a few of them.
There's the smell.
Moreton Bay ash. That's beautiful, isn't it? Let's show you. This is a messy tree, that one.
Leaves you can eat and the tree is every day. 15 orbits a day.
What is this thing?
It's part of, this is Billy.
Oh, is that steam tractor. Pretty cool. It's in good nick. Kind of. Yeah. Tin coffin. Never seen one of those before. Oh yeah, they've been here a while.
Sitting out in the sun and falls like, oh, I'll get hurt. Oh yeah, we were coming into. We've been keeping an eye on you. They're pretty friendly though.
Oh yeah, they know where the milk comes from.
Oh yeah, I think so.
You're the girl, you're first. I'm holding you. There you go. What Sony's weepy eyes
He's got a weepy eye too, hasn't he? God, I've got a chook trying to get me.
Go on, go away, dude. Look at your floppy head.
There you go. Now you've got it.
Oh, I don't want to step on anyone.
There you go, got them all happy?
Yeah.
Go Gidge down there, getting the eggs.
Done well.
I love this. Oh, Moura in there.
Yeah, alright, you'll be back tomorrow. Nah. I would have if so a bit longer. We're in cotton country, and this is all over the side of the road. It's so fluffy, but it's little balls in it, so you must have to spin that stuff out. I don't know, that might be the seeds. Cotton seed. That's a big gear. Yeah, it's pretty big. There's our car. It'd be a nice little spot to sit, wouldn't it, for the day? guys, how do I get to Red Rock Walk?
Oh, a little cold.
A little chilly.
Can you see the LARC over there?
The first thing we are going to do this afternoon is to literally drive our boat on the road. And does it float? Yes, it does. Since the time, and it is
Is it? Oh, it does run there.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Prototype.
Does it fill all of them or all in the water?
No, I think you can engage it.
I can even use cameras that have film.
That was just video.
Oh, this is videoing your experience. Here we go. I'm going to take video and take photos.
Multitasking.
Yep, man can multitask. You hear that? Man can multitask.
Woo! Graham, I knew it'd be a snake
So did I.
because it had to happen to you, didn't it? What's wrong? You hurt yourself.
No, she's just gets the adrenaline.
More fans.